The last time I had this dark chocolate, it was very bitter and I didn't think I was gonna like it. But I gave it another shot and it kind of grown on me. It started tasting better. That bitterness went away. I guess it's like wine, people who don't like wine. I want to blend these pistachios up into like a powder and mix it with the chocolate and pour it in these molds and see how that comes out. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna cheat this time and just use the microwave to speed it up. Normally I put it in a glass and use boiling water to melt it. Now doing this part is a little bit messy. I guess it could have been a better way of doing it, but it kind of worked out. I'm really just trying to put it in the molds as good as I can, put it in the freezer. Now I'll put it in the freezer and let it do its thing. I'll check on it later. I don't have a set time. And there you go, it's all ready. So I just want to take it out the molds, put it on a plate. You can see all those little specks of the pistachio. So it probably tastes good this way. And this is what we have.